Did you get understand it all this week?
You know, I did, except for I have like a hard time with the formulas a lot, making sure that I'm inputting the right information. But I've gone through the videos. I just actually got done watching the tutorials before our meeting.
Oh, yeah, nice.
It makes a little bit of sense, but I just need to keep practicing.
Yeah. Gotcha. Okay, well, might as well get started.
Okay.
I actually already have it pulled open, so just let me know when you're ready.
I have mine already pulled open, so.
Perfect. Okay. So question 3, find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is 50 and the sample size is 25. Okay. So 90% is 1.64. Oh, 45. That's what I always forget. I always forget the 5.
I know. I did that too.
So I got 16.45.
Okay, so on this one, is this the one that we take the interval and are we supposed to be timesing?
Yeah, so I'll write it down. So the margin of error formula is that. It's like margin equals, I don't know if that's in focus. If you even see that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay. Making sure, because I'm like, I'm missing a number, so I'm like, I'm pretty sure I have to times this.
Yeah, so you times it by the confidence level, so the 90%. That's when you like put it into the normal probability applet and get that number, z-score.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, hey, Deborah. Good, how are you?
You guys already started the quiz?
Yeah, we just started we're just on the first question.
Okay, so you're on 3?
Yeah. And I got 16.45.
That's what I got.
Awesome.
Okay, that's what I got too. I was like, wait a second here. Did I do this wrong?
Okay, perfect.
It said round to 3 decimal places, but there aren't 3 decimal places.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. So I just threw a 0 on the end. I don't know if it really matters, but that's what I did.
Sounds good.
But yeah, usually if there aren't that many, it will say round to 2.
Yeah.
But, all right, which of the following statements is true?
X is a point estimator of U.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I was thinking. All right. Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for GMAT scores. She knows the standard deviation, 113. She collects a simple random sample of size 64 and computes the sample mean of 526. Use this information for the next 6 questions. So what is the point estimate for the true GMAT score? I think that's 526, right?
526, yeah.
Yes.
526. What's the margin of error for the 95% confidence interval?
So I got 27.685.
Yeah, I got 27.685. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on a sec. Just calculating mine out now. Okay, what did you say you guys got?
27.685. Yeah.
Okay, I must be using the wrong formula because that's not what I got. So I know that the 95% is the 1.960.
Right.
Okay.
And
And
then you're squaring 64, right?
no.
Yeah, you have to square 64.
So it's the same formula we used for the third question.
Okay.
So you're going to divide 113 by 64 squared. I mean, 64. Yeah, so you need to do that and multiply it by the 1.96.
Yeah.
Okay, let me try that. See if I get this. Okay. That's what I get.
Perfect. All right. So the next question, what is the lower limit of this confidence interval? So if we get 526 and subtract the margin of error, which is 27.685, then it should be 498,315. Right?
Correct.
Okay.
And then the other one, we're just adding it.
Yep, the next one adding it. So I got 553.685.
Right.
Cool. Does that make sense, Ashley?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, question 9. What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size? So if you increase the sample size, you decrease the width.
Yeah,
Right?
it would decrease, right? Because you're increasing the sample size,
Uh-huh.
decreasing the margin of error.
You saying increase?
No, decrease.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's what I think too. Okay. Question 10. What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to 99% confidence interval?
Then you're increasing it.
The width would increase, yeah. Okay, 11. Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. What does the sample size need to be? Okay.
Getting 246.
Almost there. Yeah, because I got 245.86, but you round up. So yeah, 246.
Mhm.
Yep. Did you get that, Ashley?
Hold on, not yet. You said 15.68?
And then you have to square it.
I did.
Once you square it, it should be 245.86.
Oops. Hold on. Okay, yep, 246. What I get?
Okay, perfect. Okay, the mean salary of actuaries is $100,000, and the standard deviation is 36,730. You're interested to know if the mean salary for women actuaries is different from the population mean, but are not sure if it is higher or lower. You set up a hypothesis test with level of significance of alpha equals 0.05, and your null hypothesis is the mean is 100,000. The alternative is it does not equal 100,000. We collect a simple random sample of 36 women's salaries and find that the sample mean is 111,000. Use this information for the next 3 questions. What is the lower limit of this 95% confidence interval? Okay.
Okay, 99,002.
Nearest whole number. Yeah, that's what I got too. 99002.
Okay, that's not what I got. I had a bigger number than that.
Okay, what'd
So
you
are you square rooting 36?
No.
So you're taking the standard deviation 36,730 and then dividing it by 6.
No, I'm dividing that by the square root of 36.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you should be getting, so you should do 1.960 and times that by whatever 36730 divided by square root of 36 is.
Okay, so that's where I'm going wrong because I'm actually doing this x plus or minus the z with the standard deviation divided by the, that's the equation I was using.
Okay, so what you do is you find the margin of error first, and then you add and subtract that to the mean.
Okay, because yeah, through the video, that's not how they had me doing it, so that's why I'm like, wait a second here. Okay, so divide that by the square root of 6. Okay, there we go.
So you got 99002.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Then for the upper, I got 122 and 999.
You got what?
I got 122,999.
999? I got 998.
I got 998, but to round to the nearest whole number. Oh, I don't know, because earlier they said to round to the nearest whole number is to just go up no matter what. Does that apply to this too?
But that's the whole number I'm getting is 122,998.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you add 11,998 to 111,000.
Oh. Okay. You can be right there. I didn't round the margin of error to the nearest full number. Okay, thanks. That, honey. So it's 122,998.
That's what I'm getting at.
Okay. Okay. There are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval for a mean. They are, all of the above.
All of the above.
Yeah. Okay. That's pretty easy when it only lets you choose one option. So even if you didn't actually know the answer, you can figure that one out.
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. Looks good. Thanks, guys.
Yep. See you on Thursday.
See you on Thursday.
Okay, see you guys in a couple days. Bye.
Bye.